guys, it's a lovely morning. Hi guys, my name is Paula Nanya and welcome to my vlog. Today is maintenance day. I'm going to make my hair, obviously. I'm looking gorgeous. Ignore this afro of mine. I see a lot of people who embrace their afro, but for me the case is different because I'm always like, why do I even have this afro? Like, who asked me to have this afro? Who asked me to have this afro? Why do I have it? I don't want it. People should come and take it. Yeah, I just stepped out of the house now and I discovered that I'm not wearing my glasses. And I'm like, who am I? I'm not wearing my glasses going out. But anyways, I'll go like that because I can't start going back again and all of that. Anyways, guys, this hair I'm about to make, I don't know if these people can make the hair. And I don't even want to stay there for so long, but I need to make my hair because carrying this hair like this is punishment, and I don't know how long I will be able to endure this punishment. Do you get? So that's the main reason why I need to make my hair. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share also. Yeah, so I'm just walking down, really. You can see. Yeah, so guys, I wanted to brag and make noise about something that I recently got. I got a tripod, guys. That is the reason why I moved this camera the way I did. Like, I got a tripod, so I'm so excited about that. And at least I can carry my camera without, stress or any issues. I can lift it up like this anyhow. So I'm wearing this really cozy clothes because the serious sun in Lagos, the heat is extraordinary. I don't know, it seems like they're just like saying, you guys have enjoyed enough air, enough cold, so it's time for you to see the other side of the world. And that's basically what I'm seeing right now because it's so damn hot and the sun is out already and all. Anyway guys, when I get there I'll talk to you guys, but now let's go. I need to overcome this anxiety that I get whenever I want to do a video recording of my area. I need to get over this anxiety. I have like serious anxiety. I'm like, everybody's going to be staring at me weirdly. Everybody's going to be wondering, what am I doing? Yeah, they're going to wonder, but what do I want to do about it, Sonny? So guys, do you have wine? Is that wine? Yes. Is that the big size? Oh, this wine is very sharp. This wine is very sharp. Is there any other color? No wine. Brown or something. Let me see the other colors you have. This is brown. And I wanted to use wine on. But this one is too sharp. You have two of that one. If I mix it together, it will tone it down now. If I mix the two together, you're not sure it's going to be nice. Yeah? I don't want it to be shiny. That's the issue I have. The wine I want to use, so if that one is wine, I don't know. I'm trying to get color attachment. But how much is the hair? weird. Yeah. Guys, I'm done. I'm on my way going home. I'm trying to like not talk too much on the road so that. So I get to a place that is more comfortable to have a conversation with you guys. Hi guys. My voice has gone. Hi guys. How you guys doing? So I said I was going to show you guys the tripod that I'm using now. I'm going to show you guys when I get inside. As in the sun is something else. I think when I get inside, I'm going to just have my bath for the night because it's like past 4. I left the house, I don't even know, maybe 9:50, but I got there like by 10. So, but we started like past 10 because we were waiting for the lady, the owner of the place, to tell me the price for the hair and all of that. So that was what happened. And because I'm so tired, I've not eaten since morning. I haven't even taken water. I didn't take water going there, and I've just been holding myself, not talking and all that. So guys, this is the hair. I don't know if you can see that. I asked for bra length. Anybody who knows, like that's like the medium length, and that's what I asked for. But as it is that people don't listen to you when you talk, and I didn't even know. If I had known that it was like this long, I probably had done something about it, because at some point they got to, and then they were saying that I should add hair and all and get another attachment. Oh, guys, I'm so tired, honestly, famished. And yeah, I tried to put in clips here and there. They were just staring at me like, why is this one doing video? Why is this one making a video of this? And then I didn't have any other person there with me that could have helped me to make videos and all that, because you know, I was the one like assisting to give the attachments. Man, wow, look at that light. Wow, I'm so tired. See me, I need to drink water like this thing. Open the gate.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Wow.
Come see his mother back. So guys, I'm going to quickly be ending my vlog right here, just because my battery is low. I've been out since morning, and there's been light though since at the salon, but now that I'm home, there's no light. So I have to end my vlog here so that I'll be able to do other things with my phone, and then I'll also be able to charge it maybe with a power bank or something, pending when they bring the lights. But this is the end of my vlog. Okay, I need to show you guys the tripod, so let me do that right now. This is the tripod. This is the tripod right here. It came in this form, right? I bought it on Jumia for 3,007 in total. 3,007 in total. So you open it up this way, and then it has a light here. Yeah, so I don't really rely on this. I don't know if it's going to be good for, you know, like videos and also, but that's it. Then it has a remote. This, you're supposed to connect it to like your phone's Bluetooth, so you'll be able to use it and all. So this is very handy. I love it in case of like you're going for an event or whatever, and it has this strap that you can just, you know, wear on your hand, and then honestly this goes into anything. I carry this, my little purse here, and it fits in perfectly well. I also have my sunscreen inside this bag, inside this purse, so it fits into the purse, so you can carry it anywhere. You can even hold it on your hand and go out. But this is very good for like events and outings that you want to vlog, so that's why I got it, and it's very comfortable. I can use it in any form or position I want. I was filming like this before. I can straighten it up also and film. I often use it to watch movies there at the salon, so, and it's also extend, like take out the legs and all. Yeah, and you can also stretch it out this way. Oh gosh, you can also stretch it out this way. Yeah, you can see that. You can also stretch it out. I'm using one hand right now, so I can't do everything for you guys to see, but this can actually like be seated like this, you know, in any way you want it to actually. Anyways, so that's it guys, that's what I got. I'm using one hand. I can't do all of this with just one hand. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye guys.